How to do TRX squat pulses. 1. Set up. Stand facing the anchor point of the TRX. Hold the handles with palms facing each other, elbows bent slightly. Step back so there's light tension on the straps. Feet shoulder width apart. 2. Squat position. Lower into a squat by hinging your hips back and bending your knees. Keep chest lifted, core braced, and weight mainly in your heels. 3. Pulse movement. Instead of standing fully up, stay in the bottom half of the squat. Perform small up and down pulses, just 2 to 6 inches of movement. Keep tension in the legs the whole time. Breathe steadily. Avoid bouncing too fast. Or for reps, time. Aim for 15-30 pulses per set or pulse for 20 to 40 seconds. Do 2 to 3 sets depending on your fitness level. Muscles worked in TRX squat pulses. Because the TRX provides stability, you can sink deeper and control the movement. This increases time under tension. The main muscles working: quadriceps, front thighs, major driver during pulses. Glutes, gluteus maximus and medius, engaged to push hips up and stabilize. Hamstrings, assist in hip extension and balance. Adductors, inner thighs, stabilize knees during squat. Core, abs, obliques, lower back, keeps trunk upright and prevents collapse. Calves, stabilize ankles and knees. Thanks for watching.